Hey guys, I'm Joey. Welcome back to Over the Table's Random Reviews. If you're not subscribed to the channel, make sure you take a second and click that subscribe button down below so you don't miss out on any future videos, the giveaway I'm doing at 1,000 subscribers, or the 100th video coming up very soon, and it's going to be absolutely amazing. You don't want to miss out. For today's product, what we've got is a wireless pair of earbuds. Now, I did find them on eBay for just $2, very budget friendly. I'll put the link in the description if you want to get your own. So let's go ahead and open this thing up and take a look. Alright guys, so we've got our package here. It's pretty standard eBay packaging, the old bubble wrap type package here. So let's go ahead and open this thing up. Now I'm opening it up with the $1 keychain key knife. Very nice product there. So let's get into this thing. Alright guys, so it does come protected in another layer of bubble wrap here. So let's go ahead and remove that. And as you can see, it's in another plastic bag. So let's go ahead and get it right out of there. Alright guys, so it does come with a little instruction packet here. As you can see, it's very clearly in English. Hopefully when I turn this over it will be. Yes, it is. So it does give you English instructions. I'm sure it's very straightforward, so I don't even think we're going to need to look at them. So what you get in this package is you get that instruction book, you get a micro USB charging cable to charge up your device here, your Bluetooth headphones. Not a very long cord, but it doesn't need to be. And then you get your headphones. Now I do believe it comes in multiple colors. I of course had to go with the black and gold version because who doesn't like the look of black and gold? I don't know. If you don't, then go ahead and let me know in the comments because you will be the only person. So as you can see, it's got different buttons here as your controls. You've got your power / answer your phone call or hang up a phone call. You've got your volume up, volume down, and then you've got your skip to the next song and back to the previous song. So that's pretty nice that you have the controls on there. And what I just discovered, guys, is that these are magnetic as well. So that way they store up really nice and they don't tangle up as easy because they'll magnetize to each other, making that really nice. I didn't know it had that feature. Usually only higher end versions of this have that feature, but this one has it and that's very nice. So let's go ahead and see if it's got some juice. Let's hold the power button. And we held that power button and it turned on. And as most Bluetooth devices are, they'll flash blue and red when they are ready to pair. So let's go ahead and grab the iPhone and pair this thing up. Alright guys, so you just got to grab your phone, go to the settings, turn on your Bluetooth, and once you have that on, then you're going to go ahead and look for the device. Not sure what this one's called. It could be this Bluetooth music thing down here. Let's go ahead and tap on that. And that would be correct. So it's called Bluetooth Music, and it's now connected. You can see this isn't blinking blue and red anymore. It just blinks blue every now and then to let you know that it's on. And you could also see, guys, that this thing is the flat wire version, which is slightly more durable than the round wires, I believe. So that's also a nice feature. So let's go ahead and try these things on and see what it sounds like. Alright guys, so just like most of the headphones that I've reviewed on this channel so far, I have low expectations for such a low price tag. But we're going to find out, we're going to see how this thing goes, we're going to try them on, and if it has any kind of decent quality, you guys will be the first to know. Now there is no labeling on here for left and right ears, so you're just going to have to assume which one goes where. That feels right. Alright, so you're just going to have to find out which feel you prefer more, then you stick that behind your neck, and you toss them in your ear. Now the fit is pretty comfortable, I love the inner ear earbuds. I don't really know what I sound like right now, it's really muffled, which is good because it'll cancel the noise on the outside so you can really focus on the music that you're listening to. So let's go ahead and give it a try. Let's try some music here and see, maybe it could have bass. I'd be very impressed if it did, but we're going to find out. Wow, guys. Holy crap, I'm impressed. No, they do not have amazing bass. Trust me, $2, do not expect amazing bass, but the fact that it has any bass, Bluetooth, rechargeable, slightly bass, and it doesn't like distort the actual treble that you're listening to when the bass does hit, I'm very impressed. Honestly, for a $2 price tag, this product is well worth it. I'm gonna try the skip, the previous song, pause, play. Let's go ahead and see if all that works. So the middle button does your pause and play as well as answering phone calls. The previous button works. If you want to go back to the previous song, you have to double tap it. And the next song button works as well. So everything about this product works. And I believe if you want to raise the volume, guys, you have to hold the next button. Yep. And if you want it to go down, you just hold down the previous song button and it works just like that. If you want to turn it back off, you hold it and it'll blink red for you to let you know that it's off. And that's it. $2, guys, and it's such a fancy looking product. It does come in multiple colors if you want to get a different version. I absolutely love the way this works, and I'm definitely going to be using it when I hit the gym and do my workouts because it's very convenient, nice and out of the way. You don't have to worry about your wires getting in the way. Very nice product. I highly recommend it. Remember, I'll put that link in the description if you guys want to get your own. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for lots of future videos, the giveaway, or the 100th video coming up very soon. Have a great day, everybody, and don't get shot.